sizes in different mean patterns, models, they manufacture the pots. Interestingly, one of the pot that was found at the Lothal, on this pot they painted cunning fox story. Where is the cunning fox? Story. What cunning fox says? In our childhood, we might heard about the two monkeys are fighting for the bread. Okay, near to that, a cunning fox was going on. Okay, it wanted to mediate. In the name of mediation, it has taken away the entire bread. Am I correct or not? So in 2020 or in the 2000s, we learnt about this story from our grandmother, grandfather, or else from the folklore. Actually, this story was painted way back in the 3000 BC in Lothal forts. Means whatever you worship, whatever you practice, or whatever you learn, your ideas, your folklores, your short stories, everything was originated way back from the Indus Valley civilization. So tell me, can I call it as a longest surviving civilization or not? Longest surviving civilization, and it is in our genetic code, my dear. Right on. At Lothal, a painted pot was found. It depicted cunning fox story. Cunning fox story.